My name is Aklishwari Anamparappan Thaniselvam. My matrix number is 01DDT 22F1152. Question 1. Identify valid and invalid identifier names. Double valid. First number valid. 7 days invalid because between 7 and days F space. Second day invalid because between second and day F space. Total hashtag sale invalid because of hashtag. Average invalid because of symbol in front average. Raya invalid because of alliance. Test 1 mark valid. Total jualan valid. Marka satu valid.
A very good day to Panjamalia. My name is Marsha Naidu and my number card metric is 01DDT22F1030. As you can see, I will be presenting question 2. Given A is equals to 8, B is equals to 2 and C is to 4. We have to substitute A to 8, B to 2 and C to 4. After substituting that, the next step should be multiplication from the left bracket. 8 times 8 will get 64. After that, we have to solve the next multiplication. Will be 2 times 2 will get 4. And then we have to solve a whole bracket. We have to solve the whole bracket. 64 plus 4 will get 68. And then we have to move to the bracket on the right on the next step, which makes 5 times 2 will get 10. And the next step, we have to minus 4 minus 8 will get negative 4. And you have to solve the whole bracket. Negative 4 plus 10 we get 6, and it's 68 is less than 6, which makes the statement false, and not false makes y equals true. For question B, D is equals to 8 equals to F equals to 4. Here substitute D with 8, E with 2, F with 4. We have solved the left bracket first, which makes 8 times 2 equals to 16. 10 divided by 4 will get 2, and then we have to solve the right bracket, which makes 2 minus 2 to 0, and then 16 is not equal to 0, which makes y equals to true. For question C, G is equals to 16, H equals to 3, I equals to 1. So you have to substitute I to 1, G to 16, and then we have to substitute H to 3. After substituting that, we have to solve the left bracket first, which makes 1 minus 16 equal to negative 15. And then in the next step, you have to solve the left bracket to negative 15 plus 15, which makes it 0. So 0, and we have to move on to the right bracket. We have to solve the multiplication first. 3 times by 1 will get 3, and then 3 is less than 0, which is false. 0 or 3 is less than 30, false or false. So y is equals to false. Question D, J is equals to 3, K is equals to 4, T is equals to 2. We have to substitute J to 3, K to 4 and T to 2. First, we have to solve the left bracket. The increment we have to solve first. So increment 3, we have 3 plus 1 we get 4, and then we have to solve the left bracket. 4 times 2 we get 8, and then we have to move on to the next bracket. So 4 times 2 we get 8. So 8 is less than equals to 10 not, or 8 is less than or equals to 5 not. Both of it are false. So not false is true, and not false is true. So true or true, y is equals to true. Okay, so the last question E, given m is equals to 3, n is equals to 4, p is equals to 2. As usually, you have to substitute m to 3, p to 2, and then n to 4. As usual, you have to start off from the left bracket, sorry. 3 modulus 2 we get 1, and then 1 plus 4 we get 5, and then we have to move on to the right bracket, increment 4, which makes 4 plus 1 5, and then solving the bracket, inside the bracket 5 plus 2 we get 7, so to make 7 is less than or equals to 5. So 5 less than or equals to 10 is true, and or false. 7 is less than or equals to is false, which makes true and true. So y is equals to true. That's all from me. Thank you.